Welcome to Healthy Nature. Let us know about Tinospora cordifolia, or commonly known as giloy. In Sanskrit, giloy is known as Amrita, that is the root of immortality and of its abundant medical properties. In Hindi, it is called guduchi or giloy, and in Telugu, it is called tippatiga. It is an Ayurvedic herb, and its benefits and uses have been approved by the FDA, that is Food and Drug Administration. Giloy helps to boost immunity. It is a powerhouse of antioxidants which fights free radicals. Stem of the giloy is highly effective because of its highly nutritional content and alkaloids. Giloy's leaves and roots also used in the treatment of some diseases. Especially giloy is an anti-diabetic because it acts as a hypoglycemic agent. It stimulates the production of insulin. Due to giloy's powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, it pacifies the mucous membrane of the respiratory system, thereby making it very effective in respiratory issues like asthma, cough, cold and tonsils, and also in hay fever. Though there is no evidence that giloy can cure corona infection, but it can raise your immunity to fight against corona infection. According to some scientific studies, the results are positive to control corona infection. Giloy is an effective anti-aging herb. It nourishes the skin and enhances collagen production. And giloy modulates lipid metabolism and also inhibits cholesterol and protects the heart. Giloy also increases learning and memory power because it is neuroprotective. Giloy helps in prevention of stress and also helps to reduce joint pain and inflammation associated with arthritis by decreasing synthesis of pro-inflammatory cytokines. Giloy also improves the mineralization of bone matrix and also increases the glutathione level and support liver to detoxify toxic waste from body. Now let us know how to use giloy. If you get the leaves of giloy, you can take giloy kada or decoction or giloy juice 2 times a day up to 4 to 6 weeks. And also you can get giloy juice from online stores. And coming to the side effects of giloy, it is possibly safe when taken for up to 8 weeks. The safety of long-term usage, that is more than 8 weeks, not known yet. In some people, it may cause nasal pain and headache and constipation. And it is better to avoid in pregnancy and breastfeeding. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe Healthy Nature. Thank you.